Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. You know, I love my zombie ammo cases. You won't believe what I'm gonna get in one today. Let's go take a look. You guys have probably all seen the antenna bag. This bag has everything in it for building antennas, making antennas, getting antennas up in trees, and putting antennas in the ground. You've probably also seen my battery box. This is currently a 9 amp hour battery, solar charge controller, room for USB-C, USB-A, Anderson power poles, and connecting to solar panels and all kinds of utility in there. But what you haven't seen yet is the complete digital POTA station, the complete digital dinosaur POTA station. What's interesting about this, you guys are gonna love this. Let's just get right to it. All this stuff that fits in here, like the Jankopotamus crap top that we all love, the Evolve 3 Maestro laptop, its power charger. This is a jumper cable to go from the radio to the tuner that we've got in here. In here we have a big radio. This is the IC-706 Mark II, so 160 through 6 plus 2 meters. We've got the microphone. But like I said, this is a digital dinosaur station. So in addition to having the power cord and the CI5 cable for programming and whatnot, and the power for the tuner, we also have a signal link, its USB data cable, and its radio control cable, radio interface cable. All of that fits inside of a 50 caliber zombie ammo can. Are you ready? All right, so what I showed you today was an entire digital radio station that fits in an ammo can. This is a 50 caliber ammo can made by MTM Case Guard. There are a lot of fantastic things you can do with these, from solar generators to digital dinosaur POTA stations to coffee stations like my buddy Todd has down in Florida. What else am I gonna do with a kit like this but try and shove everything I possibly can into it, and I don't know if there's any room for anything else. If I left anything out, leave a comment down below of what you think I can add to make this 3-pack kit better. I just wanted to share with you that the Evolve 3 fits inside of an ammo can. I didn't think that was possible, but one day I had it open and I took a look. There are links in the description down below for all of this stuff in case you are interested, but like I said, I just wanted to share with you that that laptop fit. That was so funny, I had to share it with y'all. There's a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.